want to set a PIN to access Coinbase. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Coinbase to require a PIN before you can actually use the app. So once you're in the app, guys, simply click the three lines on the upper left hand side, click your account and settings at the top there, scroll down to where you'll find the security section. It's going to basically say require PIN / biometrics. You can toggle it on and you can create your own PIN. So I'm going to create a PIN 1234 as an example, and I'm going to re-enter that PIN once more, and it's going to confirm. Here it's going to give me two options to basically use biometric or just simple require to open the app. You can choose which option you want. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn off the use biometric option for the time being and just basically say just allow it to require to open the app. And I'm going to quickly close the app here, guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and open the app once more. Once I open the app, you will see that it's going to require me to enter that PIN, and I just need to enter that PIN once more to actually access the app. And that's what happened here, guys. Very easy and very simple.